I'm Mike Huddleston with Belt Construction. I'm a superintendent. This is a little expansion here. It's a Wylie water treatment plant, BAF phase 2. Adding some additional pipelines into the existing system and chemical treating structure. This project, we have 3 pieces of InfraShield wall pieces going in. There's 2 96-inch and 1 120-inch piece. And all 3 pieces are tying into a chemical mixing structure here in the plant. The installation process on the InfraShields, especially when you get ready to start laying your pipe and everything, is much quicker, much less labor intensive. It was just not much different than putting a regular wall piece in with a weep ring on it. There's no couplings, there's no bolts, no additional leak points. It makes the process a lot quicker. Once the slab is poured, the InfraShields are installed, and we have to come up with some unique and creative ways of holding them in place until the walls are cast. Once we get them set where we want them, we've got them supported, then the rebar and all the wall forms are placed, and then the concrete's poured. Once the concrete's cured, we strip the forms. Then it's just a matter of tying the pipe on and taking off laying pipe. There's no additional work or labor involved. Basically, it's just an easy access as far as tying on and starting your pipeline work. Experience with Northwest has been great. They're real helpful, very responsive. Guys on site helping out. Any questions, anything we've had, they've been really good to work with. I'd just say overall, it's kind of a really neat process. I'm looking forward to doing it again because the biggest thing is just the ease of installation as far as once you get ready to take off and the wall piece is in place, it's no additional couplings, no flexible couplings. It kind of cuts out a lot of the additional hardware and bolts and like I said, leak points or any other potential issues that could come up down the road.